cold start to the day, and in the northern half of the country there's some frost and also some patchy fog, but most of us starting with some sunshine. Later though, wet and windy conditions sweeping in from the southwest. In my book, just too leggy and small and hairy.
Daddy long legs are too leggy. That's an insight.
Hairy, and they move really fast as well.
They're very clever and very beautiful, Carol.
Well, I'm glad you think so, Naga. Oh, God's creatures are beautiful, of course.
Yes. What do you got?
Swiftly moving on. I've got quite a bit going on in the forecast these next few days, Charlie. To start with this morning, it's a cold start if you haven't been out. It's also a sunny start for many of us. We've had clear skies. There have been pictures of the Northern Lights last night. It's also going to turn windy and wet from the west as we go through the day. Now, we do have some showers across the north and the east. This is the rain waiting to come in with a few showers building ahead of it, but a lot of clear skies, hence the sunny start. But there is some fog around across parts of northern England, Northern Ireland, central and eastern Scotland, as well as the frost. Now, that will slowly lift through the day. The cloud is going to continue to build ahead of this first weather front coming in, and that's bringing rain as it pushes northwards and eastwards. But you can see there's another one just waiting in the wings that will come our way again a bit later still. It's going to be windy, coastal gales developing out towards the west, and these are our temperatures today. 9 in Lerwick to a high of 14 in London and St Helier. Now, through this evening and overnight, our first band of rain continues to march northwards. The second run comes in hot in its heels. That's going to be heavy. Gusty winds around this, and then behind it we're left with some blustery showers. But one thing you'll notice, a real difference in the temperature if you're heading out early on tomorrow. It's going to be much milder across the board. This morning, temperatures are freezing, or indeed above freezing, low to mid single figures across many parts of the country. Into Friday, well, it's a bit of a messy picture. We've got the rain clearing away from the southeast, still a fair bit of cloud around, and then we have sunshine and showers coming in, but some of those showers could be heavy and thundery with some hail mixed in there. The other thing too is we can have gusty winds. The wind coming up from the south, so the temperature's picking up. We're looking at 12 in Lerwick, 13 in Aberdeen and Belfast, but 16 in London and Cardiff, and 17 in St Helier. The outlook beyond that still remains fairly unsettled. Nugget and Charlie.
Carol, thanks very much. See you later.